Isima ba kayo?
Yellow. Here we are with another Autodesk, Adobe, and LinkedIn Learning mission for education. This time, we are heading 43 kilometers down south to Cavite for the junior unit of Philippine Institute of Civil Engineers, sharing them all about BIM and job hunting techniques with LinkedIn. Pleased to meet you, Lorraine, Roylan, Novi, Krishabet, Maria, Danley, Christian, Rona, and the 300 plus of civil engineering students together with their faculty. Thanks for inviting us, and see you soon for our upcoming Fusion 360 hands-on training. Hello. Nandito kami sa Kamsu.